Hi, I am Faiz Khan and I am PHP trainer, and I am also working in a real-time projects and in company. So when coming to PHP, uh, presently PHP is like ruling the software industry because many level 3 companies as well as level 5 companies, all the small scale projects are done with the PHP because many resources are available in PHP. So now I will explain the PHP means like wait, I will share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, it is
Okay.
updating.
Yes. Okay, fine. So I will be explaining from the scratch, means like from basic to professional level. So
Okay.
what is going to be done in project level, and what is basic level of PHP, from where you need to start, from where you need to go and where you need to end everything. So I, how my style I will be explaining is like, first I will explain the theoretical. For suppose, see, this is the introduction of PHP language. So PHP means like there are two full forms. One is hypertext preprocessor, second one is personal homepage. So this is scripting language. Mainly it is a scripting language, but it is mainly powerful because it is having server side also. It can handle the server also. Many real-time projects like Facebook, Yahoo, these all projects which are still running are built on PHP. And PHP is open source and it is free. And mainly PHP is used for web development and it can be embedded in HTML. So for suppose you can see many projects, many websites. So if you want to make, mainly two types of website will be there. One is static, one is dynamic. So with the help of PHP, we can develop both static and dynamic. So HTML will be only static. If we need to make it dynamic, we need PHP, and there will be logics in PHP so that we can make the website dynamic. And PHP is used for developing software applications that have dynamic content and require constant interactions with the database. Yes. Now I want to explain about database. So what is the purpose of database? We can use MySQL as database because it is the currently used database in PHP. It's not mandatory. We can use Oracle or MongoDB, whatever it may be. But MySQL is like you. It's like RDBMS and it is user friendly and it is easy. That's why we use MySQL very oftenly. So actually, we have the connection with the database for the storing purpose. Whatever we have the data like forms, login forms, registration forms on the data, product data, everything we can store in database. And another one is PHP is platform independent. We can run in any OS like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, wherever it may be, we can run. So this is only just introduction of PHP language. So from next session, I will be explaining about PHP syntax, what is variable, what is constant, and this is constant, and data types in PHP. These are very important. Then one by one data type, string data type, integer data type, float, boolean. So this will be the my next classes. And one more thing I want to say is like present if you want to enter into the software sector, PHP is best booming technology. Because the thing is, if you start learning with the PHP as a server side backend programmer, then you can learn parallelly some other front end technologies like React and Angular. If you add PHP with this, then you will become full stack, and you can start your package. Means as a fresher, you can start from 10,000 or 20,000, and if while you end your career, means at the stopping of your career, your package will be nearly 3 lakhs per month, not per annum. Because I have seen in Bangalore, you will get nearly 3 lakhs per month only for PHP. with PHP we need some other technologies, basic technologies. But if you are strong in PHP, you can earn 3 lakhs per month. That is the power of PHP. So, and it is easy, as well as we need regular practice. If we do regular practice, then we can achieve it easily. And just you need correct guidance and correct how what step by step in a procedure manner, one by one there will be link process. So if you start learning that, then you can learn it easily. So this I want to explain, and by tomorrow's session I will be saying about syntax, how PHP, what are the tags in PHP. So everything from scratch I will be explaining to you in a easy manner. And from your side, I need just, if I do an example, if I execute one program, then you need to execute your own 4 more programs with different ideas. Means your ideas are important, because I will explain in one method, but you need to innovate in other areas, so that you need to execute and you need to check the changes. So it will be very helpful to you. Then you can learn many more techniques in PHP. And wait 1 minute. And one more technique I need to say is, there are frameworks in PHP, because these frameworks are nothing but coordinator Laravel. And what is the purpose of frameworks also I will be explaining in this. But after completion of this core PHP, means like all PHP, basic PHP, meanwhile at the last I will be explaining purpose of the framework, means like just overview, so that you can be understanding the basic why framework, what is the purpose, and how you can implement projects in frameworks. So it will be very easy if you thoroughly practice. Just you need practice with interest. If you have interest, automatically uh, you can easily practice different examples. And I will be explaining oops concepts, and I will be explaining each concept with example. And and at last I will be explaining about form with validation and image uploading. And it's like by completion of this course, you can do one mini project or major project with all those techniques. So that is my main motto, is like you need to do project on your own without any help, so that you will be getting more confidence in your life, and you can achieve, means you can crack any interviews. Not only in India, in all over world, many PHP jobs are there. In even in India, there are like 2,500 jobs for only for PHP. I'm not saying about other technologies. Only for PHP, there are nearly 2,000 jobs, 2,000 to 2,500. But if you search in some Middle East countries, or Asian or American countries, then you can find number of jobs for PHP, with PHP frameworks, with CMS. But the root is PHP. You should start from core PHP, which I am saying. If you are strong in this, then you can learn remaining concepts very easily. That's all, my friends. Let's meet tomorrow. This is from my side. Just practice